Did you ever wonder about the available fields in the Kaleidoscope Pro project form? These fields exist because they are described by a document called a Metaform. Kaleidoscope Pro uses a Metaform to recognize metadata in recordings and to provide data fields for the purpose of adding new metadata such as field notes, manual IDs, and so on. The Metaform is also responsible for how metadata is output from Kaleidoscope Pro to be written to new audio files, CSV documents, and a customizable database. A very powerful feature of Kaleidoscope Pro is that it can use a customized Metaform, which allows for different types of metadata to be read and created. For example, Wildlife Acoustics has developed a custom Metaform that supports the NA-BAT monitoring standards. You can download the NA-BAT Metaform from the Wildlife Acoustics website. It's very simple to import the new Metaform into Kaleidoscope Pro. Click on the default project form menu and choose Add or Replace a project form. Navigate to the NA-BAT Metaform and open. Now you see the choice to use either the default project form or the NA-BAT project form. And if you do a batch process with the NA-BAT project form enabled, the output CSV files will contain the NA-BAT specific metadata. If you'd like to create your own custom Metaform, you can do so. The Metaform is a text document with specific formatting. You can use a simple text editor to modify an existing Metaform or create a new one from scratch. Wildlife Acoustics has posted basic instructions on how to create or modify a Metaform. And if you need assistance, you can always contact the friendly folks at Wildlife Acoustics Technical Support. Thank you for watching.